In the next 3 minutes, you will learn how to upload your first video on YouTube the right way so that people can actually see it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a video to YouTube step by step. Whether you are using your phone or your computer, this guide is perfect for beginners. I will walk you through everything from selecting your video, adding a title, choosing a thumbnail, writing your description, and hitting that publish button. So if you have never uploaded any video before, or you are just not sure you are doing the right thing, don't worry, because in this video I will teach you all you need to know. And if you find this video helpful in any way, kindly subscribe to my channel and also like and drop your question on the comment section. Now let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is to open your YouTube studio. First, open your browser. You can use your Chrome or Opera Mini to access your YouTube studio. If you are using iPhone, you can use your Safari app to access it. Open YouTube studio on your browser and also make sure you are logged in into your YouTube account. Once you are inside your YouTube studio, look at the top right corner. You will see create button that has a camera icon with plus sign. It will bring out another section for you to select. There, click on upload. Once you click on upload, a new upload window will pop up. Now click select file and choose the video you want to upload from your computer or mobile phone. Once it is loaded, you will see the upload screen with details to fill in. Select the video you want to post and it will come up in your studio. After your video comes up on your YouTube studio, the next thing you need to do is type in your title. Make sure your title is clear and interesting so that people see it will find interest to click and watch your video. After that, write a description. Your description should describe what your video is all about. Then you can add your link. The link can be a link to your old video, and this will make people who watch the video to keep watching more and more of your video so that you can add your hashtag. So after that, you can add your hashtag, and this will also make YouTube to understand your content and make your video easier to find. The next thing you need to do is to add your thumbnail. You can generate a thumbnail from the video you created, or you upload your image file if you have created an image for the video as thumbnail. After that, you can select your audience. Selecting your audience is very important, and this aspect you have to select whether the kind of video you created is made for kids or is not made for kids. But I do select not made for kids, because if you select made for kids, that means the video you created or the video you want to post is made for kids, and YouTube will recommend it to kids below 18. But if you choose not made for kids, everybody can be able to watch your video, which will also increase your video visibility. Next is to add your tags. This is also important because it helps viewers to find your video easily, especially if you use incorrect spelling in title. For example, if you want to write how I upload my video on YouTube as the title, but instead you use local language and write how I take the upload my video, you don't need to worry about that, because with the tags your video can easily be found. Next, you can go ahead and add your end screen, and while adding your end screen, make sure you add your subscribe button so that people who watch your video can easily subscribe to your channel and also watch your other videos too. This helps to keep viewers on your channel. After that, now you will go to the next phase, which is to choose how your video will be published. You will see private, on list, public, and schedule. I urge you to click on publish your video, or you can schedule your video to a specific time you want it to go live. After that, you can go ahead and click on publish, and that is how you upload a video on YouTube using YouTube Studio. And if you find this helpful, kindly like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell notification so that you stay updated, so that you receive when next my video is being uploaded. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.